How to solve unable to access a Google product. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now typically this problem will occur on your brand accounts. So if you have one, just go ahead and follow along. You basically want to search for brand account on Google Chrome or on google.com. From here, you want to click on this page, which is myaccount.google.com/brand accounts. From here, this page will show up and you can just go ahead and manage your account right here. You will specifically want to click on the account that you are having problem with. From there, it will go ahead and look something like this. You simply want to click on manage permission. And from there, you want to make sure that you as a creator or owner of this specific account has access into something like roles, invites, and more. So you can just go ahead and turn those permissions on and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.